Hey guys, so I just got my glasses. Remember, I told you all I lost my glasses. Ordered it from Zeelool and hoping that it is what I had ordered. Yeah, so I'm thinking about unboxing this. Yeah, see how small it comes in a little box. Hopefully it is what I need. As I told you guys, I lost my glasses about a couple of weeks ago on a jitney. Never me again. Yeah, so it's time to open this to see what's in there. Company Zeelool, Zeelool. I don't know if I'm saying the name properly, but Zeelool. Yeah, I don't think it's LOL because it's double O and an L. So I hope I'm saying it correct. That's right. Zeelool. Here we go, guys. Zeelool. That's the company. Putting it upside down. Zeelool. And they specialize in glasses, like these shades or anything to do with spectacles. My last glasses I bought was from them, so I ordered it. It doesn't take long. One thing I find within the last two weeks or so, 2-3 weeks, I ordered this, and it took a few days for me to get it from the company through which I ordered it here, meaning ship it through them, not ordered. So it took them time to get it to me. But as far as the company is concerned, I think they really move quickly. They waste no time. A very humble and simple box. The first one I bought, there was no case, really, just a little like a bag. I like a glasses case, so it feels more secure. But this time I think they give me the option to get a case. So let's see what's in there. Let's see what's in there from Zeelool. Yeah, they call themselves, their tagline, a world worth seeing. A world worth seeing. So let's see if it's worth seeing. Their world. Yeah, you with me on that, right? Let me see if I can uncover this. All right, so here we are. I remember they gave me the option to choose a case. I think the case was free of charge this time, so that's lovely. I chose a white one, which is not the norm, and it looks something like, wow, like this. Okay, very ladylike, quite cute. Actually smells new. I know I'm weird there. Has a very slack sort of pin, look like a belt. I suspect it can easily come out, but it can keep the stuff in there, so that's all right. If not, maybe if you get lost, I'll just use a rubber band. Who knows? You have to improvise, right? Anyway, what really matters most importantly are the glasses, guys. The glasses. So you see, remember what I told you? It doesn't come with a case. It comes with like this little bag with the same logo, the brand on it, name of the brand, Zeelool, as well as a world worth seeing. So you get this. And they do have one of these cleaners in there as well. Yeah, so I can clean my glasses with these. And a little, just I think my receipt, or actually they send me my prescription. That's awesome. That's quite nice to remind me what my prescription was in case I want to order another type of glasses with the same prescription. And this thing, if I want to measure my PD, yes, so left, they call it a PD ruler. It's one of the main things that you need when you're ordering glasses. If you don't have your PD, you won't be able to get the correct glasses, guys. Sometimes when you go to the eye specialist, you know what they do? They hold back the PD information because they want you to come and pay $100 to get the prescription. And that's when they may give you the correct PD. Some of them are genuine. They give you a correct PD. But I had an experience in Dominica where we didn't get a proper PD. I had to go back and ask for and pay $100. Very unfair, if you ask me. So let's see if I got my correct glasses. Whew. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Whew. And it does look like what I know that I had. Like what I lost, by the way. So here we go. Take off the plastic on this thing. Nice and shiny. Quite cute. I like the little gold on the side, which is pretty much what I ordered. Yeah, wow, can't wait to put this on. I just hope it's not too strong. All right, so I'm going to remove these, which are not my actual glasses. As I told you, I had to get these reading glasses. They work quite fairly well, so I've been able to function at work with them, but they're clearly not my glasses. I think they make my nose come more flat than it is already and bring down my bridge. You can see it. So I'm taking these off. Give my eyes about a few seconds to adjust. Yeah. Whew. Wow. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. How do I look, guys? How do I look? The only thing, it looks good in my view. You guys can tell me if you think it looks good. The only thing is I have to take it somewhere for them to tighten it. Right now it can just fall off. It's pretty slack, and it's probably because of the size of the width and everything. So I need to take it to a shop where they can actually tighten it for me. But reading is quite, in my view, quite clear, quite good. The small prints are very clear to me. I can see them quite well, a bit better than these other glasses, to be honest. So it's really my prescription, and I'm so grateful to get them. Wow, can't wait to just get them tight and so that they sit nicely on the flat nose. So I'm grateful. So yeah, here we had it. Thanks to Zeelool for getting my glasses to me in good time. Bless up, guys. Let me see before I go. Okay. Yeah, so this one is a tad stronger. I can see things a little better, but this is pretty good, to be honest. So grateful. Thank you guys for watching.